The National Weather Service has issued a coastal flood watch for all or part of New York City's shoreline areas. Above normal tidal departures are expected. During a coastal flood event, minor flooding of the most vulnerable shore roads and/or adjacent properties is possible due to the height of the storm tide, wave splashover, and/or effects of the full moon. For more information, please visit www.weather.gov/NYC. For specific location and timing information, please visit NYC.gov/notify NYC or call 311. For video relay service, call 212-639-9675 or TTY 212-504-4115.